Hey friends, welcome back. Tell you what, this is kind of a special video for me. I'm just grilling off some chicken thighs. I've done that for you before, and I'm using a similar method that you've seen me cook here on the Grand Champ. But what you haven't seen is some Herbacious Hen. This is a brand new seasoning out by Grillaholics that I just got. Have not used it yet, and you're gonna see it cooked for the very first time. I'll actually have a link below, save you 20% off on this, guys. But yeah, that's a special cook for me. A new seasoning. I've never tried it, and we'll get her going. Let's get going, guys. Let's take another look at that. Look at that, guys. All right, let's just get this on here. Let's see how well it pours. All right. Oh, it's still a new bottle though. So I'm not happy with how well it pours just yet, but I'm not gonna. More concerned with how it tastes. It smells delicious. Let's do this right. This thing turned over. Get the back side. I'm gonna say it's not pouring that well because the bottle is brand new and still full. As I get a little bit out, it tends to go a little bit better. So, all right, guys. When this fire comes up to temp, we're gonna get her going. Ooh, got some grease going down there. We'll get it burned off here for a minute or two. Fire's hot though. Go ahead and put our top grate only in. The reason I just put the top grate only in for now is that way I can just have access to control the fire a little bit better while we're at it. Later on we'll probably move everything down just so we can grill it off, but I want to get some good indirect heat on there for now. Hey guys, this fire's a little hotter than what I want, but we're getting her dialed in. I'm gonna set this a little bit indirect for a few minutes. We'll check on it in a few minutes, see what we get going here. I'm nearly out of my applewood chunks, but I think I got enough to handle this cook though. Get a little smoke rolling on it. Hey guys, we've been, 10-15 minutes. Come in here and give these guys a turn. I still got some heat hotter than what I want, so I'm gonna leave this thing indirect. Matter of fact, I'm gonna move these one closer to the fire, away from the fire. Just for some more even cooking. My plan is to move these down if I can. I don't trust this fire just yet. My fault, guys. I just had some bad settings going on. Alright, a little bit more applewood. That'll probably be about it. Tell you what, guys, I'm gonna give these guys a turn. We're roughly 30 minutes in. I'm not going to need to grill these things off, I can tell you that now. Get some temps on these guys. Ooh, watch your hands there, big guy. Like 160. We're nearly done. 155, 159. Ooh, stay off the bone. 70, yeah, we're very close, guys. 180. We're actually very, very close, guys. A little bit longer. I'm gonna leave them indirect like this because it's doing well this way. And we'll come back. Get some what we think is gonna be some final temperatures here. Tell you what, yeah, 176. I'm gonna pull these guys. My family, oh, we're at 185 there. I'm gonna pull these guys. We're definitely done. 186. I can't. 180. Well, 190. Yeah, we're out of here, guys. Let me get these guys in the house. Don't touch the grate there, big guy. I'll get my family fed as usual, and we'll do a taste test, guys. Wow, for such a cool day, I did get pretty hot next to that grill. Guys, check this out. She looks good. She smells good. Let's give this thing a taste. What seasoning is kind of stands out, guys. I really like this. I'm gonna get fingerprints all over it. I keep pronouncing it wrong. I keep wanting to say Herbacious. It's actually Herbacious Hen. Herbacious Hen. Delicious seasoning, guys. Wow, get another bite of this. Because you know I love thighs. I don't eat as much of them now that I'm on a diet. Sticking to the more lean, but it's kind of a special occasion. That and I wanted to get it out of my freezer. Oh wow. Finger licking. Guys, down below in the link, I will have this directly linked. Get you 20% off this seasoning. It is, in my opinion, it's well worth it. Definitely good. If I've learned one thing from this cook is that I'm still learning this grill. I don't think I ever, except for maybe at the end of the cook, I finally got my temperatures under control. But thankfully, I don't panic about these things anymore. I just kind of adapt. The cook went well, the food's good, and we adjusted. So well, it was a perfect cook, but I had to do some other things, so it was different. So guys, thank you as always. Link below. Hit that like button, subscribe to us if you haven't already, and guys, we will see you on the next cook. God bless you. Bye bye.